Brandon Lewis here of Embedded Computing Design, and we're here at Embedded World Day 1 at the Qt booth. I'm here with Santtu Ahonen, who is heading the device creation business for Qt. How you doing, Santtu?
I'm wonderful, thank you.
Great. So today we've been talking about a myriad of things that Qt offers. Among them, support for a lot of different types of operating systems, how they're able to scale. Can you tell me a little bit about where the direction of Qt is today in terms of, are you going down towards more traditional embedded devices, or going up towards big supercomputers?
Well, it's a good thing you brought that up. We are seeing the customers needing the both at the same time, which is very challenging target. But we are scaling down to smaller hardware, where smaller footprints, less things running is required, and where the customers are really caring about the cost of the bill of material for their projects. And we are currently looking into the lowest of about 8 megabytes of RAM, running on MCU with, and that includes BSP operating system, the Qt libraries, and the application itself. So all the bells and whistles you need running in the machine. Simultaneously, we see the other end of the customers who need to run multiple different screens, augmented reality, 3D solutions, lots of different kind of sensors and connectivity in the same system. So we are actually forced scaling up also. So we are working on these both two extremes and supporting our customers in those.
So you're a busy guy.
Yeah, we are, and it's a wonderful place to be, because I think the number of devices is growing much faster than the number of developers. So the solution is the tools, and that's where we are.
One of the things that I want to touch on before we go real quickly is a lot of times embedded developers go down the path of thinking, I can develop an HMI and the GUI myself for less than $1,000 and I can do it in a week, right? And then they end up with you, right? 2 years later, and much more than $1,000.
Yeah. That's what often happens. So what we see is typically customers underestimate the complexity, especially when you go into the lower custom hardware. They underestimate the complexity of putting together all the tool chain, all the development environment, all the BSP hardware drivers, the operating systems, and then on top of that. That's something which has been our core business for 20 years. So we've put a lot of effort to make that really fast and flexible and easy to use. And it's often seen like it's totally trivial because it's so easy on Qt, but it often is not.
Right.
Yeah. So that's those are good customers because they already know why they need Qt.
Well, that's good stuff. Hey, if you're at Embedded World, stop by the Qt booth in Hall 4. And what's the booth number here? 258?
Oh, that's a tough one. Well, you just follow the Qt steps on the floor.
Hey, the Qt
that's
steps.
That's the easy way to follow. It's leading to our stand in Hall 4.
Great. Thanks.